biyahe. Dito tayo ngayon sa Barangay Banban, Bataan. Yun to yung yung sunrise. Sayang nakatabon yung bundok doon. Hindi makita yung full sunrise. No. Ba't ba tayo gumising ng umaga? Kasi may pupunta na naman tayo. Saan tayo pupunta? Malalaman niyo mamaya. Bye bye. 2024, since most of us graduated, unemployed, and no place to go. So, we decided to travel where we live. Panay. We don't wait for the memories to come. We make them. Padala sa mga biyahe namin, wala talaga kaming destinasyon. Pero saan kami mapadpad, isa lang mahalaga. Ligtas ang bawat isa at masaya.
This is Kevin, Mocha, Julie, at ako, Earl. We are Ang Fam. Beware of us.
Hi guys, nandito na kami sa Balasan. Punta doon yung Pilaro. Puntang Pilar, Paruan. Dito kami diretso sa Carles. Puntang Port Bangkalan. Welcome to the North of Paradise Island. Ito yung mga kasama namin.
Just me and you. Don't go. I need you. I'll never mislead you. Give this love another chance. Take my hand.
Ito si Mudra. Kaya mo naman wala na. Saan nila? Dito na kami sa Carles na. Papunta na kaming Bangkalan Port. Ay, dito na yung kabalo. Ay, kumana din. Salakyan. Then support. Itagid nung pa naman naog. Itagid na naman naog. So, mag-register daw muna tayo dito sa dito. Hanapin nyo lang yung yung tinext sa inyo na pangalan. Laragyan na tayo guys. Daman oh. Ipaos na. Ipaos na sila. Punta na kami sa bangka. Sa bangkang malaki. Madami Bangka ba naman ang boat nga sakyan naman guys. Nga pangalan niya si Mark Nonoy Tomboy. Coast Guard. Na tayo. Na, mahalo na. Mahalo na guys.
Awak tayo, sir, ha? Payong na lang tayo. Sige, sir. Sana yung mga kasama, sir. Mamaya pag ano, nandun na tayo sa island ko.
Sabi yung ano, alon.
Ay, ma-picture ko.
Tindog si cute pa.
Hindi mahigit isang oras pa po yung biyahe natin kung sir.
Apo.
Papuntang Higantes Island Sur. So yung malaking bundok na yun. Yun po yung Higantes Island Sur. Meron po tayong 7 destination na puntahan doon sa Higantes Island. Sabi niyo po captain sa akin nung sir, kuha po muna tayo 4 or 5 islands bago po tayo mag-land. Kasi tuwing hapon dito ma'am sir, low tide po dito. Baka mamaya, bababa rin kahapon, bumaba kami. Kaya,
Naglakad.
3:30 po yung balik natin dito sa port. Para hindi na po tayo mababa sa dagat. Mag-akyat dito. Okay, may medyo isang oras po yung biyahe natin mga sir. Pero pagdating po natin doon, magka-dikit-dikit na lang po. 5 minutes, 7 minutes po. And yung first destination siguro natin ma'am sir, yung
There's a lot of colors, I don't know where to go. See a lot of colors, only feeling blue. There's a lot of colors, lost within a haze. Don't rely on others to get you through the maze. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea, cannot take this anymore. There are a lot of voices drowning in the sea. There's too many voices talking back at me. There are a lot of choices waiting to be made. Too many choices making me afraid. Dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea, cannot take this anymore.
Thank you. Wow. Sige lang. Pawa. Grabe ka man. Naglain na tsura ko ba?
Sa gel.
Gani. Ngayon minigyan ako. Titin ang tubig.
Manay eh. Diba? What's up guys? So for today's video, we're in Higantes Island.
Kabugaw gamay.
Kamugaw gamay. Anong kabugaw gamay?
Ang
We're
ang kabuga
in
ang bukaw dako wala
Kabugaw
ka dun.
gamay. So, outfit check tayo. Kita ako na may igos-igos sa likod. So, ganun
Tito
lang.
check.
Outfit, Tito check. So, magdo-drone si Tito Earl. At ako
Bye-bye.
I'm waiting at the doorstep. I'm finally home. I've been gone for too long. Standing here a while just to take it all in. Radio's playing our song. And then you stood there smiling at me as so many times before. I'll never wanna be away, leave you again. You are all I want and more. It is true. If only I could do one thing, I'll be with you. It is true. Baby, how I need.
Pupunta yung drone. Nagkwakwa ako ng shell, pepper shell. Pepper shell, nakita ko yung ganito. Manita pa ako ng mas maganda pa. Naman itong shell na malaki. Pero gusto ko yung maliit lang na purple. Iilas pag kasi yung mga girlies sa kanya mga outfit pampaligo. Kaya ako, nagpa-vlog lang. May nakita naman ako na isa. Ang liit, ang cute. Parang ako. Char lang.
Waiting at the doorstep, finally home. I've been gone for too long. Standing here a while just to take it all in. Radio is playing the song. It is true. If only I could do one.
Sa bangka.
Sa bangka kami babalik. Ha?
Antonia Island.
Isang oras po tayo dito mga. Wala po
Welcome.
tayo dito. May mga 12.05 po. Sit natin dito. 12.05. Opo, dyan po. Snorkeling area nila ma'am sir. Snorkeling area. Okay, unlimited swimming po tayo ma'am sir ha. Sa halagang 1 hour lang.
Akala ko sa lahat.
1 hour lang, 1 hour. Okay, dyan po yung
Prank.
Kasi yung merienda ma'am sir. Ayan po yung merienda nila. Ayan yung maliit na tindahan na yan.
Libre.
Ayan po yung may mga hindi po.
Ah.
Hindi po sir. May sunyelo po sila dyan. Si Orchin, no?
Si Orchin.
Si Orchin. Si Orchin ngayon.
Hello. Try na tayo si Orchid.
Baby, how I need the loving of you. Will you still love me as I'm getting older and old? And when you are away, I something shivering cold. It is hard to define you, but you're worth more than gold. Just like fire, no denying. I know we won't be late. As
Dira na lang kamo.
Ngayon na kami!
Damguhan niya lang
Ngayon
niya.
na ang drawing!
Damguhan niya lang anay. Inyo.
Drawing, ayaw.
Bye-bye.
It's not a simulation. I'm still.
Hi guys! Hi! Welcome to the vlog! Today, we are here at, I don't know! In the Isla Igante. Hindi! Ang island, di ini nga island. Sa Anthony Island? Oh, Antonio! Antonio Island. Island lang kay siya. Hi! 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 Look guys, the view. So nice. Wait lang. Diba? And the tiyanak! Hindi, ayaw ko na. Bakit pwede ata?
Falling deeper within. This love is an ocean wide that never runs dry. I would like to say that I could stay all night and that I'll do anything for you. I wonder why you let me be this close when I surely doesn't let you.
Diyan ma'am, sa una ma'am. Ha?
Ang galing mo naman magpa-choice.
Ma'am?
Ang galing ng choice mo. Lunch or pwede mo ba mag-swimming sa pag-lunch?
Ano ma'am?
Mas madaming gutom.
Meron ano ma'am?
Doon saan pag-lunch?
Isang oras lang lunch natin doon. Isang oras. Pero kadalasan ma'am, swimming naman po tayo.
Kaya ko kumain na
Lagoon, Tangki Lagoon, swimming po tayo doon. Ulo Pandanay lang. Balik pagkatapos po natin lunch ma'am sir, may dalawa.
Anong
pa.
gutom?
Yung Tangki Lagoon.
Tsura kang gutom.
Pandanay lang. Tsura kang gutom.
Itsura ka ni Maligo.
Ma'am,
Itsura ka ito, maka ito.
Ma'am, sir, kayo po, baka may bababa, wala na?
Wala na daw.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright. Cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm known without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me. Cause I don't know what to do if you go. Ooh, I just don't know what to do if you go. I've been so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope.
Dito yung baboy. Pumutuan na po tabi ka rin.
Ang ano?
Uy, wala.
Scallops. Scallops. Ambal. Pinaka-close.
Ying, mabalik ka na sa ano, Ying? Sa din?
Sa Lagoon.
Sa Dragon.
Sa kami.
Lagoon.
Laguna.
Yakot. Ito do yakot.
Ang cellphone mo sa bulsa.
Hindi na cellphone ka bulsa, ablo. Hala. Uy, ako to si mama mo. Uy, ka ba lang? Hindi ako sinima dala. Oo. Abaha. Abaha si mama.
Tago pila kilo ya ba?
Sabi nyo karon ka rin ka lang.
Tiki ba?
Abaha, abahon ka ni kuya.
Tiki ba? Hindi kalabot.
Hindi ka oh. Uy, taas kita yan. Sana all taas. Basta ito.
Dikit sa bus.
Yes. Siguro amin na sa... Pag ginudyohan yun.
It's a simple song, won't stop the rain from coming down.
Gusto ko nga doon, adlo ko. Taso. Yan sila sa kao.
Dali yung araw mo higot.
Yan, lalo na pag mag-swimming kayo dyan, maganda talaga.
Wow.
Ano pa ka ba na wag? Ay, wait.
Ayun na.
Drone mo na.
Kalahati po tayo.
20 minutes.
Kung mga gusto dyan ng sir mag-swimming po, dito po yung daan mo mo.
Nabaw pa.
Ito po yung picture.
Para hubas na abi mo.
Maligo ka na?
Dito na ba kapakita ang amo? Di lang amo man. Pretty. De? De Jel? Ara na ang amo ay. Nagpakita na. Glass magalupo.
It's a simple song, it's never gonna turn this day around, stop the earth from shaking. Yeah, it's just a simple song, nothing right or wrong. You can sing along if you want to. Well, I know it's not been easy, but easy ain't worth singing about. Hey, I know, time goes slow, but it's always running out. Here's a simple song, won't stop the rain from coming down, or your heart from breaking.
You better take what you can, cause the time is right now. We only need the two of us.
Si Aying. Nakakita si Aying. Pakita, Beng. Pakita. Tinay mo 20. Nakakita si Aying sang. Yes. Bu 20 gali. Tipol man ako. Langgit yung Aryo. Tapos mau langgit.
Kita ko di malapar, hindi ka na si Dasil mag-ano?
Ha?
Kita ko di malapar, hindi ka na si Dasil.
You can ask for flowers. Ask for hours. Telling them the bluebird. The feeling Pati kung ka lang sa gabi, hanggang manibala ako. Kaya paano? Paano? Ano? How? Ano ganun na? Ano ganun ang music Bakit na ba, mahal? Hindi mo nila. Ano gani ang music?
Kung tayo
Sige. Ano na?
Sige doon! Nagpatay man gitsa!
Kalimutan ka. Kung talaga.
Dapat na kayo sura ko?
Sa akin. Hindi po hindi makita.
Tuloy? May ano mga liboy. Ay, sorry. Bye-bye. Bye. Ba, may 20 si Aying. May 20 siya. Grabe. May 20. Libre naman ang soft drinks. Soft drinks. Wow, itong rin. Baga, ano ka man gina? Mas nangirit ka.
Thank you so much for walking.
Hi, dog. Hi, dog.
Tanya ko.
Hi. Ba, wala pa na pa?
Balik kita sila.
Hindi naman ako, di mama.
about me, because I'm starting to doubt we will find our way back to each other when you're on the other side of the world. I'm here and I'm waiting, but I know I can't say that we didn't end it for good reason. Still I'm hoping we'll be meeting soon. Everybody needs some time to figure themselves out, but I want you close, and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about the past. Now time moves slow, I'm not high or low, no, I'm somewhere in the middle and a little bit messed up, 'cause without you everything stops. I'm feeling so lonely when you never phone me. I put your picture on my windowsill to make myself feel alright, but I knew it would not be easy, spending time apart, and I almost can't believe it. Believe that you're gone, and I don't think this will get better until you come around. I guess that everybody needs some time to figure themselves out, but I want you close, and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about the past. Now time moves slow, I'm not high or low, no, I'm somewhere in the middle and a little bit messed up, 'cause without you everything stops. But I want you close, and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about the past. Now time moves slow, I'm not high or low, no, I'm somewhere in the middle and a little bit messed up, 'cause without you everything stops. Oh.